A common area of your quarter panel that gets rusty or damaged is the lower portion due to the debris coming up. In many cases, you'll be able to simply cut out the rusted or damaged portion and weld in a patch panel. It can save time and money in your restoration. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 through 72 Chevelle and El Camino front quarter panel patch panels. These patch panels are designed to replace the lower front quarter panel portion in front of the wheel. Each panel is manufactured from 20 gauge steel using case hardened steel tooling for accuracy and authentic fit. They feature the correct contours, just like the factory. At the end of the production line, each panel is finished with an electrodeposit primer, also known as an EDP coating. EDP coatings are used to protect against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to prep and paint your part without worrying about potential rust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.